And for a state like Jammu and Kashmir, development is something which has been in the wings for a long time. It has never happened. You'd see some development here and there, but the consistent pace at which infrastructure was required, basic materials which is important for living and also for building economy, such as electricity. I was talking with the governor even as we were coming here. The capacity, the potential capacity that J&K has is about 20,000 megawatts. Imagine what a state which can produce that kind of power can do for itself and for using it as a product. If you as J&K are able to produce that much, you're able to sell it to the rest of the country and also with that money be able to do a lot more for our own people. However, that capacity has never been fully exploited. And as a result, the potential exists, but the power generation not coming up over the years has denied J&K its own developmental goals. Without basic supplies of electricity, for a beautiful state like this, for a potential ridden state like this, development has always been at its bare minimum. So when Prime Minister's goal or that guiding principle is Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas and Sabka Prayas, you have all the prayas, you have all the vishwas, but if you don't have the required endowments for it, Kashmiri citizen, the facilities, the development, and therefore make all his aspirations come true. There is no point if it is kept like a small oligarchy of people are holding every resource and denying the ordinary citizen. And that is where you find the ordinary citizen today when democracy is allowed its full play, participation in electoral process. You find them happily, actively engaging in spite of calls which tell them, no, you can't. Because the people want to grow. Their aspirations are there to be realized. And that is nothing unusual for a common citizen. It is his common aspiration. Every citizen should have to be given a space. And that's what is being given post the abrogation of 370.
Of the Office of the Principal Chief Commissioner of Income Tax North-West Region. Now request the respected Principal Chief Commissioner of Income Tax North-West Region, Sri Krishna Sir, to kindly welcome the Corporate Affairs, Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman ma'am, with a memento and a very warm welcome, ma'am. Welcome the Revenue Secretary of the Government of India. Glory ma'am, to kindly welcome the Chairman of the D.K. Chawla, who has been responsible for constructing this building.
Please, up at your, please at your.
सभी टैक्स पेयर्स को भी मैं हृदय से धन्यवाद देता हूँ। यह एक सुखद संयोग है कि चिनार के पेड़ों की छाया में आयकर भवन तथा ये आवासीय परिसर निर्मित हुआ है। चिनार के पेड़ों के बारे में यहाँ कहावत है, ये मां भवानी का प्रसाद है और कलहर की राज तरंगड़ी ने भी एकता, भाईचारे और शांति के प्रतीक के रूप में इस पेड़ की चर्चा की है। देश की संस्कृति के केंद्र में जम्मू कश्मीर में जिस सपने और उद्देश्य के साथ आगे बढ़ा जा रहा है,
ओके मैम कैमरा
पता ही कैमरा कोई खड़ा है
ओके मैम
bayat bagla yok mu balama yok mu
मुझे सीधा फोन उस दिन आपसे फोन आने के बाद मैं आऊंगी इधर आप आपको देखिए आप दोनों में से एक मुझे फोन
आराम से यार
मोबाइल थोड़ा पा दे एक मिनट कोशिश करिए आप पीछे चलो यार आप थोड़ा पीछे चलो